they might pay a little here and there, but yeah,
You
come
know,
on.
the last time I've been there, I shoot you jackpot about 350,000.
Well, rather little on me.
350,000. But
350,000?
but the kids been the machine malfunction. They
And they
cheated.
didn't get it.
They cheated.
Cheated, yeah.
They make us spin.
My mom used to win a lot of money. She was good. She had good luck. She had really good luck.
I never come back. I know
I've
they
won
cheated.
1,800. I've
I
won
never come back.
500. I've won, you know.
They cheat on me, you know.
Yeah, I won.
Three duck line up, two duck line up, one duck go down. They make máy quay hoài nó phá, bật nó phá, cái máy quay không ngừng lại. Đó, đi với thằng kia luôn, bó tay là không xong. Tại cho quay hoài. Như vậy, cho con hư máy quay hoài nó không ngừng lại sao trúng. Đóng bên kia mà. Yeah, three duck line up, the one duck, last duck, the chips been.
Yeah, and just cheated you.
And
And you went WinStar? Yeah, I ain't going there.
I never come.
They can pay for it themselves. I ain't paying it for it. I got my own mortgage to pay for it.
No. You know why they cheated? Because I only win 10,000.
So you did win 10,000.
Yeah,
Wow. I've never. Oh, that'd be nice.
Okay. I'll sure enough enjoy that.
I'd take that any day.
Okay.
Còn trúng 10.000 là trúng thêm giải nữa nó phá không cho trúng. Đúng không? Trúng được 10.000.
But I bet you have something similar. Yeah, they've been having us. Everybody at Christmas did the red and the green.
Do the same stuff.
Ooh, this is pretty. Be pretty in the spring.
Uh-huh.
Cầm tay cá.
That looks okay for you? Yeah. Beautiful,
Oh
sweetie.
yeah.
Thank
Put
you,
our phone
thank you.
together. Yes. Cute.
Thank you, thank you. Those are cute too. That light. Tiana.
Oh yeah.
See, you can show how we have to do Meredith.
Show your nails, Meredith. Show your nails, girl. We enjoy getting our nails did. You enjoy getting your nails did?
Yes.
Huh?
Smile.
You on Candy camera.
Look at this gorgeous place.
Yes, they got some nice.
Letters for Santa. How cute.
Look at the tree.
You're so funny.
Me.
You enjoy the simple things. Look at that pretty red door with that.
In 800 feet, slight.
Pretty. Gorgeous.
Oh, look at it. That house go all the way to the back, girl.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness, look at this house over here. Jesus.
Slight right onto Simondale Drive.
Taking me down Country Club, but I didn't think so, lady. I thought you were steering me wrong when you said slight right.
Head
It's
northwest
straight
on
ahead.
Country Club Circle.
Go down into one too. Where's there? Don't be laughing at me. This is tour video here. Y'all, this is the tour video. Let me just go ahead on and say it. Touring the houses. Look at that house over there, y'all.
Head southeast on Country Club Circle toward Colonial Parkway, then turn right on.
They just all mixed in.
Yeah, this is the old part.
Child, look at the
Turn right
mansion.
onto Lindcrest Drive.
I can't help people. The popo be coming.
I like
after
how they got the regular houses mixed in with the
Yeah.
large houses. Like, yeah.
It's all the good old neighborhoods, very established with their trees. And,
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Hardwood.
Are they houses and stuff? Oh, okay.
I just had some lots that were bigger, and we have.
Look
you
at
know,
that.
so this is an older home, but it's look how well it's taken care of. And then they have
Turn
this
left onto
one.
Hardwood Drive.
And somebody probably bought a home that they went, let's remodel it. So part of that's an old home and part of it's new. And they model homes and families for.
Continue on Hardwood Drive.
Turn that down and rebuilt. I don't know. You'd be surprised what they can do with some of these homes that are older. Remodeling. Big.
Mm-hmm.
Goes way.
Oh, look at this one.
A pretty rock. Oh, it's pretty. They've remodeled that one.
Look at that little, what they call it, cul-de-sac or something like that.
Cul-de-sac. That's pretty nice. I was looking. I was golfing.
See, this how I be.
This is cute. I think that'd be such a cute house.
Look like a little cottage.
That's empty. Yeah, it's for sale. That's empty.
Like that black.
I think your house would be green. I don't think that matches your brick at all. A ton.
They go, look, right there. Oh, we don't need it.
You can imagine.
What?
Again.
You could go.
Us. Myself out.
Head west toward South Hewlin Street.
Oh, yeah. I'm mad at myself.
Head
I
east
thought
toward
that
South
went
Hewlin
through.
Street.
All right. Just a minute.
That's all right. They got the door right there. We could. Oh
No,
shit.
'cause
Well,
Mary
yeah.
I can't do that with her. Okay, sweetheart.
Turn left on Villani, then take the first right.
Does that say right or left?
It say left,
It said right.
but then it say take the first right.
I don't know what the hell.
Just
I'm doing a
Turn
U-turn
right
right
on
here.
Villamena,
I'm gonna
then
pop
take
that
the first
curve
right.
and look like a
you're doing
hillbilly coming
right.
to town.
You're doing right now.
I'm going to look
Hey,
like
Ben
a
kept
hillbilly.
trying to.
Yeah.
In 800 feet, turn right on Bridgeview Drive.
It's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice. You just gotta.
We're over at Macy's. Oh, they got some. Oh, I think I can't take this cologne with me. Huh? Let's see what they got over here. Notting Hill. Oh, Fantasy. Oh, that was Britney Spears. I remember that. Candies. Y'all remember? Oh, here's another Britney Spears. These back in the day for real, $14.99. And then we got the candies. Malibu Crush, $14.99. Oh, this just face wipes and stuff. Got so hungry. Eucalyptus and okay, so this stuff here should be clearanced. $4.99 for the. Look at these slippers. I like these. $16.99. Oh, these will be good for my feet. They hard. Oh, look at those, y'all. Cute. I gotta get those right there. Those, that's too cute. That was right on time because I needed a new pair of slippers. I got some more right here. So 10 these here. They is so cute. Yes. $17.98. They got some of these here. These is cute too. $9.97. Dr. Scholl's. What size is these? Child. I ain't gonna be able to take my stuff home, child. Look at those. Those is cute. This is cute right here. These GB $29.99. You got some jewelry up here. And bracelets. How much the bracelets? Sorry y'all. $7.99 for the bracelets. $7.99 for those. Got these here. $5.99. That was cute. $5.99 for those. Some necklaces here. Oh, that's just $7.99 for that. But they had something else. I thought, yeah, this one. Oh man. Let's see. This Macy's backstage, y'all. Okay. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Let's see. I'm struggling. Okay, so we have this one here. $7.99 for this one here. And let's see what else they got here. Just a quick little glimpse, y'all. Watches. This one's cute. $19.99. Then they got a rose gold one here. $17.99 for that. They got a little set here. That's probably about $29. Oh, that's only $19.99. So this, y'all know I like my gold. They got a gold one here. Oh, that's rose gold. $19.99 for that right there. Hello.